Welcome back. I got the Pixel stand. I'm going to do an unboxing and setup after this. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Since you're already here, it'll help me out. Here we go. Alright guys, we're back. Here it is, the Pixel stand. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you like it, hit that like button. So you actually had the option to get this free with your Google Pixel 3 XL pre-orders. I'm not sure if it's still available or not. Let me know in the comment section if you actually were able to get this with the pre-order or if you weren't. This is basically Google's Pixel stand, which is kind of like their wireless charging stand for the new Pixel 3. In a nutshell, it's just a stand with Qi wireless charging in there. As it says over here, Qi wireless charging compatible for the phones, blah blah blah. I'm going to see if it's compatible with the other Qi devices, which it is. So let's take a look. I'm going to pop this open. So this actually came right away. I'm still waiting for the Pixel 3 XL. My Pixel 3 XL had a delivery date of November 3rd to the 4th, I believe, but they changed to the 6th or 7th. I'm assuming it's just to do with orders they have to fill or backlogs. So here it is. Overall, it's a pretty decent size for the device. At the bottom, it's going to be, it says Google, but one thing I really like, it's rubber, and really like that. It's not going to go anywhere. You can pop it on your table. It's not going to vibrate and move away. Bang. And then there's only one port to actually fire this up or charge this up, which is a USB-C port down there. Let's see if there's any cables that come with this in the package. And then obviously you get your instructions manual. Not going to go through this. And yes, I like this. Google has actually sent over a USB-C to direct USB-C charging cables. Really like where they're heading with this. Not just a USB-A to a USB-C charging cable, direct USB-C to USB-C charging cable. I'm gonna actually just open these up and actually plug it in. Okay, so we're back. So I actually have this plugged in the back of my wall, and I'm gonna pop it in. And just go through there like this. Not showing a light. I would like to see that on this thing. Let me know if you guys actually have a wireless charging pad for your phones, and let me know which one it is in the comment section down below. And if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Pop this off. And what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to put on the iPhone XR, the product red one. If you haven't seen the unboxing, I'll leave it up here so you can take a look at it. Okay, so let's take a look and see if it charges. There it is. Very simple. Okay, and I'll pop it in. Bang. Off. On. So one more time from the side. And off. So here you have it, the Google Pixel stand, which is their charging platform. This is not the Pixel 3 XL. It's my iPhone XR. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button and leave me a comment letting me know what you think about it. And if you have any questions, just ask me right away and I answer them as soon as possible. So really happy with this device, and I just can't wait for the Pixel 3 to come in so I can actually use it and use the other features that are involved with it, like using the Google Assistants while it's docked on this bad boy. So I'll be testing this with the other devices that are coming in, like the XR, my iPhone X, to see if it actually charges fast and if it doesn't. I know that the Pixel 3 XL is going to be compatible. Any Samsung device can be fast charge compatible. So let's see how this bad boy does. And here we are once again, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done so, subscribe. I got more content coming up, and likes are always appreciated. Shares are even better. Thank you and have a good day. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.